Now let's talk about the mean weather that's hanging around out there.
Yeah, enjoy the nicety of the evening perhaps with 40s and 50s for now. Big changes are on the way. Still in the 60s in Buffalo, 61, but 50s widespread. Not bad right now. Mild weather, 50 in Dickinson, 54 in Bismarck, 44 in Minot. A little cooler farther north here, and Fargo at 44, 42 in Grand Forks. Not much wind now in Bismarck. Earlier, we had winds from the south, 15 to 25 midday, as I talked about yesterday. But overall, the wind is not all that strong. So let's get right to the good stuff, shall we? And talk about how this storm is going to evolve. Weather in motion for tonight. A very weak system, really just a small piece of what's to come. Not much to be expected here for tonight. A few sprinkles in northwest and north central North Dakota. We'll go through the rest of the night. Temperatures near freezing. Tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, mostly cloudy, maybe a little bit of sunshine, but widespread 30s. Not much moisture during the day tomorrow, but by tomorrow evening, Thursday evening, 9 o'clock, mid-evening, we are going to see snow developing in northeast Montana and northwest North Dakota. Already a blizzard warning has been posted for tomorrow through Saturday early evening for northeast Montana. Winter weather advisory in northwest North Dakota. As we advance on through our weather in motion Friday morning, 8 o'clock, look at this. Most of the snow in northeast Montana and northern North Dakota. Little, if any, snow farther south along I-94. We'll continue advancing this through Friday night at 9 o'clock in the evening. Still, most of the snow in the northern half of North Dakota, north of Highway 200, but a little bit developing in southwest North Dakota. But by and large, a majority of this storm is tracking toward the northern half of the state. Now, one computer model, which has been somewhat accurate as of late, the GFS, the Global Forecast System model, I'm showing you that right here, could be a pocket of maybe 18 inches of snow. Not exactly like this, but just focus on the trend here, being that it's Wednesday. The heaviest snow, again, northern half of North Dakota. Look at the legend. We could see well excess of a foot of snow along the Highway 2 corridor. But look at this, Interstate 94, Dickinson, maybe 2 to 4 inches, possibly 2 to 4 inches for the Bismarck-Mandan area, and maybe no snow toward Mobridge. Now, this could shift farther south the next 24 to 48 hours. Of course, we'll be keeping a close eye on that, but right now, as has been the forecast for the past couple of days, the worst of this storm will be in northeast Montana and the northern half of North Dakota. Bismarck-Mandan, dry weather for tonight with a low of 36 degrees, so above freezing, 43 for tomorrow afternoon. Not as warm as it was for today, but like today, midday, north winds between 15 and 25, backing off, becoming northeast by late in the afternoon. 41 in Dickinson, dry most of the day until late evening. We might see some scattered flurries developing, but no accumulating snow. Williston, also a cloudy sky, snow developing, but beginning to accumulate, but not until mid-evening tomorrow evening, and a high of 37. Dry until late afternoon or evening in Minot, but then the snow begins. Overall, snow in Montana gradually working its way through northwest and north central North Dakota. Jumping ahead, again, Saturday, snow likely, especially farther north. Lighter snow or rain and mix snow for the I-94 area, and then everybody sees at least some light snow for Sunday. Much colder with a high then of 23 degrees. So there is your week ahead.
So if you have something to do, better get it done before the weekend.
That's right, but right now it looks like the worst will be along Highway 2 versus 94. We'll be keeping a close eye on this.
I know what you did today. We'll have to talk about that later.
We
Coming
will.
up, Kevin Kramer is wasting no